Today we'll be discussing about 7.io for workflows. On the platform down below in the navigation bar, you can find for App Marketplace here and search for 7.io. Here it is. You have to install it first. It's up to you. You want to install it on any of your specific sub account, and you can choose multiple sub accounts at the same time. Let's continue with that and allow an install. Here we go. It is successfully installed. Now moving back towards our agency level is loading at the moment. The next step will be moving forward towards the specific sub account on which we have installed 7.io for workflows. Here we are on the agency level. You can see it is successfully installed. Let's just choose our sub account. Here we are on that sub account, and now we have to just get our 7.io configured to just integrate into our workflows and create some automations. Down below in the navigation bar, you can find for app configuration, find for 7.io. You have to get it configured. To do that, so you have to get the API key. You have to set up your 7.io account, and after that in the settings you can find for the developers mode, and there you can create your own API to get it configured here. Let me show you how to do that. Here we are in our 7.io account. I have already created the account, and down below in the navigation bar you can find for developers mode. Click on that, and after that we are here, and just click on it to create your own API keys. And after that you can just name any domain you want to use here, and after that your API will be created. You can just copy this one and paste it there to get it configured. Paste it here and submit. Now the next step will be moving forward towards the automations. Above in the navigation bar for automations, now we will be creating our own workflow. Start from scratch. Here we are in our workflow builder, and now we'll be creating an action, and let's just see it is working correctly or not. Click on it and find for 7.io. Here it is. These are the actions provided by 7.io to be used in your automations. Delete contact, create contact, and send a message. Let's just create a contact. You can choose a nickname here. The alternative to that, I am just using a static data at the moment to just set an example and see how the things are going. Save this action. You can also create some notes with that to update your contact. Find for custom values down below 7.io workflow builder, create contact, and you can choose any and add some text with that. Now we will be testing our flows. Choose any of the contact and run the test. Head towards the execution logs to just see that how things are going. As you can see, the contact is created with the nodes. It is executed successfully. That's how simple and easier is that. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.